name's Lee. I repair musical instruments and stuff for a living. Oh yeah, fixing stuff is definitely therapeutic. Yeah, absolutely. It ticks that box. I think I need that box to be ticked quite consistently, all the time, and fixing stuff, or like even the stages of fixing stuff, like making sure all the screws are kind of lined up, all the slotted head screws are in the same orientation. More often than not, stuff comes in with missing screws or missing feet or corners and stuff, and I have boxes of parts that I will make things whole again. I will put them back together. It makes me feel nice giving something back to someone that's more complete than the state they brought it in. That's how I would want someone to treat my stuff if I gave it to someone. Having this place has kind of highlighted some of my strengths and weaknesses that go along with being autistic. I don't pride myself on being overly sociable and customer facing, but people come in with their stuff and I have to say hello, what's broken, and please leave it there and go home. On a good day, 10 to 15 people will show up at the gate, and that's made me realise that, oh yeah, I do say the same thing to everyone and expect a response, and I'll just nod my head and say, oh yeah, great, no matter what they say, which is a trait of mine of being autistic, and I think having this place has highlighted some of those things. It's also made me realise that having a routine that I can control entirely, like my work day is the same every day. I get into the workshop at the same time, I sit down, have a coffee, have some pastries for about the same amount of time, fix stuff, go home at exactly 4 o'clock. Being autistic some of the ways it manifests in me can have a bit of a negative effect on the business. Like if I get into a funk where I feel like I'm not doing a good job, the narrative kind of spins off and I say, well, I'm not very good at this, I won't respond to emails because I'm like, that's me done. Like I can't fix things, I'm not very good. Like I can't run a business. Like who am I to think that? Everyone's insecure about some things, but being autistic is who I am and how my brain works. It feels very unavoidable. I think some insecurities, speaking personally, you can kind of get around and you can kind of work through and stuff, but I know that being autistic is just who someone is and it's who I am.